spot?
I think it's a good spot. They're all good spots.
I walked a little bit of the track. The track looks good, a little dusty. It looks really fun though, and I'm looking forward to it.
How's the course looking?
Fast. Looks real fast. Hard pack, but should be fun.
Oh my god! Hit me! All on camera. Final words of wisdom for Ben.
Be safe out there, bud.
What do you have to say, Matt?
I don't know. Ready to go.
I had a good jump for once, and I got to the first corner and in the pack, and there was a little bit of a pile up, and a guy ended up going down right in front of me, and got a little hung up in his bike and got going almost last into the woods. The day had its ups and downs, and I was riding good, but there was had some close get-offs, and I just rode safe and tried to stay smooth and off the ground and be safe, and that was the biggest thing. It was dusty and couldn't see much. I didn't see the crash itself, but I saw the dust settling and the bike was still running when I got there to Ben, and yeah, he didn't look good. He was laying there and he couldn't talk or anything, so I ended up parking my bike and stopping riders from running him over because they were so dusty and couldn't really see him at all. So I ended up riding up to the closest field after sitting with him for a minute and picking up a guy and a group of guys to run down and check on him. So yeah, hope he's doing better.